Hey guys, welcome to Combat University. Today I'm going to teach you how to defend against when somebody's charging after you. So for this lesson, I'll be showing you a clip from the series Moon Knight. This is episode 2, Knight versus the Hound. Watch as Knight defends himself against the Hound, and then I'll meet you back here to go over today's lesson. Let's check it out.
Wagwan! I did it! You got planted!
For technique number 1. So you can see the Hound was charging him. So the Hound is charging us. Bob is the Hound. First thing that Knight did was step back, punched him right in the jaw. Well, we're going to add to that, but it's probably not going to knock him out. So step back, punch. From here, we're going to hit the solar plexus, or just right there in the gut. Step up, kick the thigh. Again, step back, punch. Pivot, punch the midsection. Step up, and then you're going to bring your knee up and down into that thigh. For technique number 2, so he came up on us, he grabbed us, we put a step back, that way it kind of blocked him. From here, we're going to push off, turn, pivot, punch him right in the jaw, turn midsection, kick the thigh. Technique number 3. So Bob here, maybe he's not that far behind, because if he's that far behind, you can just turn and walk away. But if he's close enough that he could get to you if you try to run away and you didn't have time, and you want to start the attack, you just break or close the gap. You're going to step in. You're close enough now to be able to strike. So from here, now that you're close, you're just going to step into him here, strike, midsection, thigh. For this technique, Bob's close enough where if we try to run away, we couldn't. But he's far enough away that he could charge after me. So I'm not going to wait for him to do that. So I'm going to close the gap. I'm going to step in here. From here, I'm going to start the attack. So instead of stepping back and punching here, I'm going to step in with my right side. Step, strike. From here, midsection, step up, thigh. Now I'm going to show you how to do it on the bag. So for technique number 1, we're here, he's running after us, step back, punch, midsection, thigh. So for this one, we see him running after us. We step back, punch, midsection, step up, kick the thigh. Technique number 2 on the bag. He's got a hold of us here. Our hands are above his. We'd step back, so we're blocking. Push, punch, midsection, thigh. Technique number 3, close the gap. He's farther than arm's reach. I can't get him. Step in, punch. Step, punch, midsection, step up, thigh. Now go try it. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll meet you back here next time for more self-defense techniques.